Up and cop. Thank you. So let me show you around, guys. Look at me kuntai. Kuntai. Me farang bike. Me mai? No farang bike. These are all Thai guys' bikes. And you can see they do every kind of big bike you can imagine, guys. Just a great shop. But I mean, it's just been amazing service, guys. There's no worry about farang prices or anything like that. Great shop, guys. Really good. Okay, and I will put the link in the description box for this shop. So if you're traveling through Chanthaburi, which you definitely would be doing if you're taking a trip to Chong Island, to Elephant Island, or going to Trot Province, you're definitely going to be coming right through here. Great shop, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Highly recommend. You down with TTT? Up. Maybe tip 20 baht. 20 baht tip. Cup. Thank you. Alright, guys, we are headed to pick up the Vulcan at an amazing big bike shop right here in Chanthaburi. Check it out. You guys are going to like this place. I promise you, if you're a big bike guy traveling through Chanthaburi, you're going to want to watch this video. Let's roll. Opens at 9 a.m. The same owner that owns the big bike shop, guys, owns this amazing restaurant right here too. So this entire property is owned by the same owner. Great place. Had a lot of service done here. It's always been very professional, good fair prices. Great shop, guys. Check it out. There's Blackie. Cup. So guys, in a lot of these great areas that don't have many expats and definitely don't have any international tourists, you need a good translator, right? So you can see I just gave him that message. Thank you very much for all of your great service. I trust you very much.
Oh, open cup.
Okay, up and cop. Thank you. So let me show you around, guys. Look at me kuntai. Me farang bike. Me mai? No farang bike. These are all Thai guys' bikes. And you can see they do every kind of big bike you can imagine, guys. Just a great shop. Now he has to order a lot of the parts for my Kawasaki, right? But usually within 2 days he'll get the parts in, right? He has done brand new rear wheel, rear wheel bearings. I had to get a new clutch cable. My clutch cable was out, so he ordered a new clutch cable. And on this trip, a few days ago, we were coming back from the beach and it started to run hot, had an indicator light coming on. Of course, I pulled over immediately, let it cool down, and made it home without getting the engine too hot, right? Because you definitely don't want to do that. So I brought it straight to him. I didn't know if it was the radiator, how big a problem I had. It's actually some internal parts that had been customized. Instead of the fan for the radiator being stock from the dealership, somebody had like wired it direct and it wasn't tied into the fuse system, so the fan wasn't actually working. He didn't have to buy a new fan, he just had to get, you know, the proper fuse and redo the wiring the way it should be. And then he changed the engine oil for me, new oil filter, and of course flushed the radiator out for me, put all new coolant in the radiator. And what we were discussing earlier is he still is getting an air filter. So the air filter hasn't arrived yet. That's the only thing he needs. So I'll stop back by and he'll stick in the air filter for me. But I mean, it's just been amazing service, guys. There's no worry about farang prices or anything like that. Like I say, use your translator. And let me show you here some of our communications so you can kind of understand. Here he is right here. Toi, kun toi. And you know, I send him slips when I pay the money. But you can see, I mean, you can copy and paste these, right? So I'm communicating in Thai. He's giving me information in Thai, right? Services I've had done before. So even though you get in these areas where there's not a lot of English available, look, he sent me a picture of the brand new rear tire when it arrived. We have good communication skills through the app, and then he always sends me photos, right, of the parts. Very honest, guys. Completely trustworthy. You know what I'm saying? He's always keeping me up to date on what's going on. There's the photo I sent him when I started running hot, right? I basically telling him I didn't know for sure what the reason was. He even sends me videos. The key for you. Oh no, I sent him that video when I dropped off the bike. But these line apps are the way to communicate. They really are, guys. See, he's sending me photos of the fuses and stuff, telling me that the fan had been wired direct. So we have great communication. He's showing me the part that he needed. That was a direct switch that they had used. You know, sent me a photo when he's working on the bike. You can see there. So this is a really good way to communicate. You know, he's sending me all the photos, so there's no problem. Here's the video he sent me showing me the fan is now working. Right? Fan is now working, so he has solved the problem, and so here we are. So that's a great way. I use the Microsoft Translate. So now I just told him thank you very much, right, for all your great service. I trust you. So you push this forward button right here, and you get a pop-up. I can just go to his line and send him that message. So don't let the language barrier, you know, prevent you from wanting to come to these type of shops. I mean, it's not that difficult. But great shop, guys. They've always got projects going, but yet they fit me in. Wow, nice. We have a lot of Kun Thai bikers here in Chanthaburi. Great shop, guys. Really, really good. Okay, and I will put the link in the description box for this shop. So if you're traveling through Chanthaburi, which you definitely would be doing if you're taking a trip to Gauchong Island, to Elephant Island, or going to Trat province, you're definitely going to be coming right through here. Sukhumvit Road is right there within walking distance, right? Old Highway 3. So if you're on a big bike, you need some service, this is the place to come, guys. Come check him out. All right? Yeah, really, really good. Look for the link in the description box, and that way you'll have the map location and everything else. Excellent shop. Most of their customers, probably 99.9%, are Thai guys, right? But he's been really, really fair to me, and extremely professional service. So, okay, I'll come back. Yok ma. Okay, Kapun Kap. Thank you. I want to make a short video for my YouTube channel so that more Americans can come here.
ได้ครับขอบคุณ
เข้าใจไหม
ครับเข้าใจครับ
มีฝรั่งมาก YouTube Great shop, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Highly recommend. Don't let that language barrier deter you, you know what I mean? These translations apps, whether you're using Google or whatever you got, I like the Microsoft Translator. Really, really accurate on sentences or short paragraphs, right? Like I say, they've been really fair with me on prices, guys. is done. It's freaking done right. That's the key, right? Talking premium quality mechanic, right? Which is what we all want when we're out here on the roads. It's dangerous enough on a safe bike. You definitely don't want to be on a bike that might have issues, right? Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Just wanted to highlight this big bike shop. Again, look in the description box for the location and contact information. We're traveling right here, Sukhumvit Road, going to Ko Chang, Gujarat province. We're going to come right by this shop, right next to SCG home store here. And also the Index Living Mall, right? So, really easy to find, guys. Really easy to find. Let's roll. Thanks for watching. Peace.